Hello, I'm Kyle from Ferosa. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly install our house numbers. When you receive your order from us, this is what you can expect to find in the box. There'll be a thank you card, a template which is either vertical or horizontal depending on your preference, all of your house numbers. These are 8-inch copper numbers. You'll then find studs, spacers, and instructions for mounting that go through step-by-step procedures to make mounting very easy. The first step is to select where you'd like your house numbers placed on your house. In this instance, we've gone beside the main door with a vertical orientation. Once you've selected that, you will then decide how you want to center them. In this case, we've centered our numbers horizontally between the window and the wall, and we've also centered vertically from the bottom of the window to the top. I then taped the template onto the wall with some temporary markings I did for my center, which then align with the center lines on the template, and you've also got a horizontal center line there. Once it's perfectly centered, you can double check that you're nice level and plumb with the level. You can check your bubble in the sight glass, and everything's perfect. So now we're ready to start drilling. When drilling the holes, you'll take a 3/16 drill bit, center it on the crosshairs, and drill your hole. After your holes are drilled, you can remove your template from the wall. After the template's removed, you can blow the loose dust out of the holes. Just careful you don't get any dust in your eyes. Lay all your numbers out on a soft surface that won't scratch them, and thread the threaded studs into the back of each number. These just go in by hand until they stop turning. Once you've got the studs threaded into each number, you'll dry fit them into the holes that you've pre-drilled and ensure the numbers fit. Now that I've got all the numbers dry fitted, I've ensured that they all look proper, they're all level, everything lines up. Now I'm going to remove all the numbers and we'll get ready to epoxy them in for good. We recommend using a clear 2-part exterior grade epoxy. These can be found at almost every hardware store. You'll then take the epoxy, apply a small amount onto a mixing surface such as cardboard. It squeezes out of these tubes as 2 components. Just a small amount's fine for now. And mix that up for about 20 seconds until it's uniformly consistent. Once mixed, take a small amount on your stir stick and apply it to the ends of the threads. Just a small amount is fine so that you don't have any excess on your home. It should be just enough to go inside the hole and securely fasten the number. If you want a floating house number effect, you'll use our spacers. You would then apply the spacer over the stud before applying epoxy. In this case, we're going for flush mount numbers, so we're not using the spacers. It's then a good idea to take a little bit of epoxy and carefully put it in each hole as well to ensure that your numbers are going to stay in there good and seal out any potential water, so you've got a 100% sealed hole. The numbers are quite often tight with these studs. If you need, you can take a little cloth and a rubber mallet and very gently tap the number in. There, now the number's flush against the house. Looking good. There you have it. House numbers are installed, ready to last a lifetime. A few simple minutes, and anyone with a few basic tools can put these up yourselves.